Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Munir Academy. I'm your host engineer Adnan Munir. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the introduction to QA/QC electrical engineering, its concept, importance, and career scope. Let's begin. Section number one is what is QA/QC electrical? QA/QC electrical means ensuring quality, safety, and compliance of electrical works according to approved standards and specifications. This is the systematic process of guaranteeing that all electrical installations, systems, and components meet stringent quality, safety, and compliance standards. This involves meticulous adherence to approved specifications and industry regulations, minimizing risk and maximizing the performance. Section number two is the difference between QA and QC. QA stands for quality assurance, while QC stands for quality control. QA is preventive. It means it focuses on planning and systems to avoid issues before they arise. The simple rule of QA is plan first, then execute. It actually defines the processes, procedures, and standards to ensure the quality throughout the project lifecycle. QC is detective. It means it focuses on inspections and testing to identify and correct defects after they occur. The simple rule for QC is check what is already done. This means that it involves activities like visual inspections, measurements, and functional tests. Section number three is why QA QC electrical is extremely important. So QA QC electrical is a paramount in construction and industrial projects, ensuring critical aspects that impact both immediate operations and long-term success. So the importance include number first is safety. Safety means to protect personal and equipment from hazards, preventing accidents and ensuring a secure environment. Number second is reliability. So this actually means to guarantees consistent performance and longevity of electrical systems, reducing downtime and maintenance cost. Number third is compliance. So this is to ensure adherence to national and international electrical codes, standards, and regulations, avoiding legal repercussions. Fourth number is client approval. This means to meet client expectations and project requirements, leading to satisfaction and successful project handover. Number fifth is zero rework. This means to minimize errors and defects early on, saving time, resources, and preventing costly rectifications. Section number four is the role of a QA/QC electrical engineer. So QA/QC electrical engineer is a vital guardian of project integrity, ensuring every electrical detail aligns with the highest standards. So the main responsibility of QA/QC includes number first is review drawings and specifications. This means thoroughly examine engineering drawings, technical specifications, and project documents to ensure clarity and compliance. Number second is site inspection. So this role is about to conduct regular on-site inspections of electrical installations, verifying adherence to design and quality standards. Number third is witness testing. This means to oversee and validate various electrical tests such as insulation resistance test, continuity test, and functional tests to confirm operational integrity. Number fourth is prepare reports. This means the documents, inspection findings, test results, and non-conformities, compiling comprehensive reports for management and stakeholders. Number fifth is client coordinations. This means to connect with clients, consultants, and contractors to address quality concerns, provide technical guidance, and ensure satisfactory project execution. Section number 5 is career scope of QA/QC electrical. The scope of QA/QC electrical is including these sections like high demand in GCC. GCC actually stand for Gulf Cooperation Council. So the Gulf Cooperation Council countries offer significant opportunities due to extensive infrastructure and developmental projects. Number second is good salary packages. So professional in this field often command competitive salaries reflecting the specialized skills and critical nature of the role. Number third is long-term career growth. This sector provides a clear path for advancement, with opportunities to move into senior management or specialized consultancy roles. Now, the countries with greater demands, including Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, etc. Moving to the section number 6 is who should choose quality assurance or quality control electrical. So this specialized field is ideal for individual who possesses a particular set of skills and academic background, aligning with the meticulous demands of quality assurance and control. So number first in this category is electrical engineering background. So a strong foundation in electrical theory, systems, and design principles is essential for understanding complex project requirements. Number second is site experience. Practical experience in on-site electrical installation or project execution provides invaluable context for QA/QC responsibilities. Detail oriented. This means that the role demands a keen eye for detail, ensuring no specification is overlooked and all standards are meticulously met. Responsible and proactive. This means that individuals who are proactive in problem solving and committed to upholding safety and quality standards thrive in these critical positions. We appreciate you watching our video and engaging with this important topic. Subscribe and stay connected for upcoming videos on QA/QC electrical engineering topics. Please like, comment, and share our videos. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.